Change is a challenge. This COVID situation has brought many things to change. Basically, the education system. You can imagine a school with no boundaries now. Yes, our children are learning classes through online platform. That is maybe in the Zoom platform or Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. 5 years back, have we ever thought of this? No. We never thought of this. Yes, but suddenly we need to accept because change happened. Yes, my dear friends. Imagine companies which didn't change. What happened to them? People changed them. The one example we can talk is about Nokia. They were into Symbian, they were into Java based OS. But people wanted Android. People wanted Android, but they didn't do it because they were not ready to change. They thought we are already number one. Why should we change? My dear friends, you should be ready for change because the customer has become highly knowledgeable nowadays. Yes, the customer has become highly knowledgeable. That is the reason you have to get ready for change. Yes. So Nokia got extinct. Nokia got closed because they didn't accept change. My dear friends, I say you should accept change. You should get ready for change. Is it only Nokia? Hey, you can just go with a company called as Ambassador, a car which was traveling across all the roads in India. Today, what happened? Is it there? No. Because they were not ready for change. Yes. My dear friend, there are so many small and medium scale businesses. It is started by their parents, either their father or uncles. You can just think it is run by their grandchildren nowadays and it is run by the next generation. At least have you tried changing your business style? Never. Whatever the business your father used to do, the same thing you are ready to do it. Then how does it work? Hey, when big companies like Reliance have come, when big companies like Aditya Birlas have come into doing business in retail, jewelry and so many, how can you do business compete with them? The only thing is, my dear friends, accept change. Get ready for change. The way you do your business should absolutely change, my dear friends. Yes. If you don't change, what happens? The change will change you. Yeah, that's it. People will change you. Yes. That happened with a company called as Kodak. Hey, you got to remember, long ago we had a camera with a reel. There were some companies which were manufacturing reels, and among that was Kodak. Everywhere people were talking about Kodak. But today what happened? A company with 150 years of history got closed just in 5 years because they didn't accept change. Yes. Companies like Nokia, companies like Ambassador, companies like Kodak, when they got closed because they were not ready for change. Hi, dear friends, if you are not ready for change, you get extinct. Yes. Sir, how shall I change? My dear friends, you need to think out of the box. You need to think out of the box. What can I do something new? Hey, you see, my dear friends, you have phones with you, extraordinary phones with you now. You have something phone of 10,000 rupees and you have a phone worth of 1 lakh rupees even with you. A 1 lakh rupees phone is so costly because it has excellent features in it. Yes, if you can talk about Apple phone, Apple 11 Pro, which I use for my recording, if you can just check, my dear friends, it has excellent features. The one best feature is it is water resistant. Even if you dip it in water in the 4 meters water, it can resist. And the excellent camera quality. Yes. When you give something new, people are ready to take it. When you give something special, people are ready to take it. My dear friends, you have to do something special. You have to think out of the box. वो पुराना जो है, the whatever you did lost will not go forward, will not take you forward. Yes, you have to think out of the box. I hail from a place called as Bellary. Businesses 20 years back, business was something related to some two streets called as Bangalore Road and Brahmin Street. 2001, after my MBA, I thought of doing my business. I didn't go for looking for a job because I was passionate about doing business. I started doing business. I thought of, "Arey yaar, chalo, why should I start my business in Bangalore Road or Brahmin Street?" What I did is, I thought of at least starting in a new place. I started in a place called as Infantry Road, which is totally a market with no market at all. Yes. People laughed at me on those days. They said, "Arey yaar, udhar market hi nahi hai." Arey, if there is no market, create it. Yes. These all big brands, they don't look at market, but they create it. I was the first to start a showroom on the Double Road in the year 2003. It was the only one showroom where I was selling textile and retail ready-made garments. I had good business in the initial stages and later it starts moving up, growing up. My dear friends, on that day, my investment of 5 lakh rupees for the construction of my property is today almost 1 crore rupees. Because it has become the prime property in my area. The rentals in my area is very high and today all branded stores are on the Infantry Road only. Yes, what I want to tell you is, I started 20 years back thinking something new. You need to think out of the box. The same old methodology of doing business will not fetch you, my dear friends. So two most things you need to have a challenge to accept change. One is you should be ready for change. The second thing, you have to think out of the box. Maybe how you do your business. When you give something new, people are ready to accept. Are you ready for change? Thank you.